Hello friends, welcome to Aviation Learning World. So in this video I'm going to explain you about an extension that will help you to determine the font size of any text of any website. Let's say this is the YouTube I opened and I want to see that what is the text fonts family font style here applied to this text. So how I can do that? So there are multiple extensions available free of course on the Google Chrome web browser. So first one is the FontFinder. This is totally free and you can use this extension. For example, if I want to see that what is the font size of this text, so how I can do that? So simply you have to install this add this extension to your Chrome, and then once this will be installed, then you can just go to your extensions area and then you will find that extension. This is a font finder, so you just have to click on this and it will have all the access to your any web application whatever you open, and then you can see whatever I am hovering on any like text, it will tell me the font style of that. It's Roboto. Okay, for example, the title of this video, let's say I click on this, then it is showing me the font style, font family is Roboto Arial, and font weight is 700. This is for the developer. Actually, when we want to we are making some website and want to like copy something like whatever other websites are using, so we want to determine or we want to evaluate that if in our website the currently for font family, font style, font variant is correctly applied on my text or not. So this will be helpful. Another extension is what font. So this is also free. So for this you can see here what font. So when you will click on this, so this you can see where this is the actually font for what font. So this is by font what font extension. Okay, so this is saying some Roboto for 400 700 whatever the text font family and font style. And the third one is font finder by WhatFont. This is also free, but I personally like the other one that was WhatFont and font finder, because these are free. This is also free, but I mostly use the word font and font finder because this will tell you all the font family. I can explain you again like what font finder. Just click on this and then you will see that what the actual font family is of the text is. So you can click and then you can see here the font, the color, the decoration. Even you can copy the text color from here. You can also see the background color. You can see the font family style. You can see the font being rendered, font size, font family, font weight, variant. So all the details of the font family related things will be available from this extension about any text on any website or browser. So thanks for watching this video. This is actually basically used by many developers. So many developers were asking about some extension. I previously explained the Colorzilla that will help you to find the text of any like image or whatever you are using, the whatever the purpose for which you are using. So that video is also available. I will put that link of that video in my description. Thanks for watching this video.